Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland. Basic Spanish Lessons. Lesson 6. Present Tense. Regular AR Verbs. Section 6-1. Vocabulary List. Part 1. Commonly used AR verbs. Please repeat after me. Ayudar, bailar, cantar, pintar, escuchar, estudiar, llegar, llevar, trabajar, cocinar, tocar, tomar, fumar, nadar, necesitar, comprar, dibujar, pasear, lavar, practicar, hablar, patinar, presentar, desear, usar. Next, we'll move on to second part, clothing, la ropa. See you in the next video.